We do want to continue this conversation now with Sylvan Lane, a finance and economy reporter with The Hill. Sylvan, thanks for being with us. All right, so what could this mean for the future of Twitter?
Nichole, Elon says he has big plans for the website. He talked about unlocking the potential. That means for him, authenticating humans to make sure that the people behind the user accounts are actually people. Another thing he wants to do is reduce some of the content moderation that Twitter has been doing over the past few years, meant to crack down on what they consider harmful speech, harassment, attacking people online. But he's one of many people who think that Twitter has gone too far and wants to peel some of that back. Now, how much he can accomplish, we're not quite sure yet, but he definitely has big plans for the website.
All right, well, speaking of how much, let's take that question and shift it just a little bit. Why do you think Musk is so determined to spend a sixth of his net worth to buy Twitter? That is a lot of money.
Yeah, that's the $44 billion question. Elon Musk has two businesses with Tesla and SpaceX that, occupy plenty of his time. He has more money than he can count. So, it seems to be a very mission-driven thing. He's a big user of the platform. He's commented on the way it's been run for years and years. And, now he's going to get a chance to actually change it himself.
Well, Sylvan, do investors on Wall Street seem to think this is a good move?
So Twitter stock had been rising from the point at which Elon made his initial offer. That's usually an indication that they think the company is going to do a little bit better. But Elon says he wants to take the company private. So the financial implications of that, the lawsuits that could come from it, that's a big question right now facing the sale.
All right, Sylvan, what about the market as a whole? We're still seeing, lots of ups, lots of downs.
That's right. The market's still processing the process of, the Federal Reserve raising interest rates, which is going to slow down the economy a little bit. It's also processing what's going on with the war in Ukraine. And we've seen a lot of these technology stocks that rallied like crazy over the pandemic start to come back down to earth, whether it's because of different things affecting these companies or just a general step back, thinking what the future of these companies is going to look like in this weird sort of post-pandemic world.
All right, Sylvan Lane, as always, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Thank you for watching. Click the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.